Do I look skinny? That was my pronoun.
You look very skinny.
You ready?
Yep. I got that all on film.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm standing here with our friend Elif. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Thanks for doing this. I appreciate
Anytime,
it.
thank you.
Would you like to tell us a little bit about your story and how you came to meet us?
Sure. So I moved to Virginia about a year and a half ago from New York, and I had a problem with one of my teeth. And having worked in a dental office in Manhattan, I've had experience with, going to labs and procedures and what the process is. So the tooth that I had was a post and crown, and I had 3 apicos on that one tooth, so I knew that eventually I would need an implant, and I was told that. So when I came here, I noticed that I had some problems, and I started my research. And Dr. Hogan's office stood out the most to me because they had the machinery, so the 3D CAT scan, which I knew would get like a full view of my mouth, and I also knew that they had a lab in-house, which meant that I didn't have to go running around for my molds or for shading or anything like that. And my whole experience here has been wonderful. I haven't had any surprises as far as billing or anything like that, and everyone's just kind, and they broke everything down for me, and I'm overall happy with the process. I mean, it was just a smooth process, and it was good.
Thank you, I appreciate that. And it really means a lot to me that you would do this, because being from a dental office in Manhattan and knowing, the high stakes that come with the front tooth.
Absolutely,
and you did a endo procedure 3 times because you were worried about getting the implant.
Yeah, I was afraid of the implant, and I knew that would be the last resort if I had to.
Right. But we took out the root and did the implant in the same day, right?
Yes.
And with the tooth on in the same day.
Yes.
And how was that?
It went wonderful. I mean, there was no complications. We didn't need to do any bone graft or anything, which I was nervous about because of the apicos. And everything was done in one day. Throughout the procedure, Dr. Hogan explained to me step by step what was going on. And it was like a smooth process. I wasn't nervous, and they made it, easy to sit through. So I do appreciate that a lot. Thank you.
And so I want to thank you too, and I want to thank our lab, Alex, Anna, Karina, and everybody here, and everybody at the front desk who helped her out as well, because with the lab particularly, doing a single front tooth with the correct shade can be very difficult and tricky. And we were able to nail it here in the office, and it worked out very well, right?
Yes, it did. Thank you so much.
Thanks for doing this.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.